Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma design into a live website. First, clearly define your website's purpose and who you are building it for. This initial step is crucial for guiding all subsequent design and development decisions. Next, outline the essential pages and map out the user journey. Finally, gather all your content, like text and images, and decide on your preferred development method, whether it's a no-code platform or custom coding. This foundational planning saves significant time later on. Now, let's dive into Figma. Begin by creating a new file and setting up your artboards for different screen sizes, like desktop and mobile. Focus on crafting an intuitive layout, selecting appropriate typography, and defining a consistent color palette. Leverage Figma's powerful features such as components and auto layout to build a scalable and maintainable design system. Remember to ensure your design is fully responsive, adapting seamlessly across devices, from large monitors to small smartphones, for an optimal user experience. Once your design is complete, it's time for handoff. Carefully prepare your Figma file for developers, ensuring all layers are well organized and named. Export all essential assets, such as optimized images and scalable vector icons, in appropriate formats. Clearly document font styles, color codes, and spacing measurements to maintain design fidelity. Consider using Figma plugins or specialized design-to-code tools that can help generate initial code snippets or streamline the conversion process, saving valuable development time and reducing errors. Finally, we move to development and launch. Select a suitable web development framework or platform, whether it's a content management system or a custom coding environment. Translate your meticulously crafted Figma design into a fully functional website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Implement any interactive elements, animations, and ensure all functionalities work as intended. Rigorously test your website across various browsers and devices to catch any bugs or display issues before confidently launching it live for your audience to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.